Hi developers, I'm Hossein Abdullah, Microsoft MVP. In this video, we'll learn how to solve some of the common issues and problems when developing Xamarin Forms applications that runs on iOS, Android, and Windows. Here we'll be dealing with the case when I have a list view that displays some items and I want to add another item to be displayed in that list view. So here we need to refresh our list view. So the first version of my code should be like this one. So here I have the list view and I have the add person button. When I click this button, I expect to add a new item to my list view. So the way I have implemented this interface is here by going to my main page, and here I have this list view called names list view that will display the names. Then I have a button called add person. That button, when clicked, will go to fire the add clicked event handler. And here what it's doing, it's taking this list of names, and then it will go to that list of names and add a new name. And here we are expecting that the new name will be shown to the user interface, but it is not showing. Why it is not showing? Because we are not refreshing the user interface. So here we have two solutions for this problem. So the first solution is by going to my names list view dot items source and set it equal to null. Then again go to the names list view dot items source and reset it again to your names list. So this way the list view will be reset and it will get the new list of the names. This way it will refresh. But you see, this code is not really nice, because here we are using lots of instances of the names list view. So actually there is a better solution for this scenario. So let's comment this code out. And the second solution is by going to the list. So here the names variable is of type list, and the list cannot refresh the list view. So to refresh the list view, we have a new type of object called observable collection. The observable collection can refresh the list view in each time I'm adding a new item to this observable collection. So an observable collection is mainly a list view, is a list, but it can refresh the item that is pointing to it. So with changing my list to the observable collection, now I can refresh my list of names in each time I press the add person. So let's test this one. So let's press the add person button, and here you see it adds that new name to my list view. Good. So this is the scenario. Now what if I'm writing an MVVM application, because here I'm writing all the code and the code behind, but in MVVM applications I would have a page where here I'm binding to my list of names, and I also would have a main view model with that list of names, and with a public properties call it names. Then I would have an add button. This add button will point to this command, and it will try to add a new item or a new name to my names list. So again, here with this code, my user interface won't um, update to get the new list with the new name added to it. So instead, I'll go and change the type of the list here to be observable collection. So it's a minor change, and the same thing here, and you see here I'm still able to use the add method, because at the end an observable collection is a list. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you.